Pavani Ayurveda's Tridoshic Toner helps to cleanse the skin's pores, removing any remaining dirt or toxins that could be hiding out in the skin's pores. It also helps to gently tonify and tighten the skin, and it can also help to even out the skin's complexion. The ingredients in this Tridoshic Toner include rose flowers, lavender flowers, and calendula flowers. These three flowers have been used in both Eastern and Western herbalism to just help beautify, replenish, and restore the skin's health. We combine these flowers in a bath of rose water, aloe vera juice, and witch hazel. And then we strain the flowers out and we add essential oil of clary sage to round out our Tridoshic facial toner. You would use the Tridoshic Toner after you have used your Pavani cleanser and mask, and you'll just continue healing, connecting, and restoring your skin's health. So how you use your Pavani Ayurveda Tridoshic Toner, it's really simple. You're going to gently shake it up, and then you'll just mist this onto the skin. And I can start to already feel the toner start to do its job, do its work. I can feel like my pores starting to get cleaned out, and even just the aroma is revitalizing and rejuvenating. Another way you can use this toner is just by taking off the top, and you could apply some of the toner onto a cotton ball and then cleanse the face with the toner. So that's another way you could enjoy using your Tridoshic Toner.